How to set up an HP printer on a wired network with HP Smart in Windows 11. To successfully set up and install your printer, gather the following materials and information: a computer that is connected to your network using a wired or wireless connection, the HP Smart app installed on your computer, an HP printer that supports a wired network connection with ink installed and paper loaded, an active internet connection, and an Ethernet cable. Connect your printer to your home or business network using an Ethernet cable. On your computer, open the HP Smart app. HP Smart is pre-installed on HP computers or can be downloaded from 123.hp.com. On the Welcome to HP Smart page, click Accept All. Click Set up a new printer and follow the on-screen instructions. The app finds printers connected to your network. Select your printer. If your printer is not displaying on this screen, select My Printer Isn't Listed and then select your printer from the following screen. On the Install Drive to Print screen, click Printers and Scanners. After following the prompts, HP Smart displays the tasks and settings for your printer. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.